Hey guys, happy Tuesday, right? Big John with J Custom Builds. I'm sorry, man. I'm all over the place lately. Anyways, let's get in what I want to talk about here. So I got a new battery for Sapphire, and I want to put it in, but it's kind of late. My wife's going to be home, and she wanted me to go out with her for a couple hours. So you guys know that I try to start the bike. This battery, I checked, the battery's literally 3 years old, but for sitting for so long and being on and off the tenders, it has a full charge. The lights light up really good. I mean, you can see how bright it is over there. Everything lights up perfect, but it just doesn't have the cold cranking amps. Let's see if it'll start. All right, let's take all this stuff out of the way again. Let's get these bolts off. They're already loose. This guy here. Let's take this guy off. Put it to the side. Let's slide that off. This got to get slid off there, and then that comes off. 10 millimeter, guys. I'm gonna reuse these bolts. Get these little brass guys out of there. Hang on to those. Those are really good if I ever need to use them again. Use my famous little method here to get this battery out. And there we go. Get this guy in there. Oh, there we go. All right, guys. Let's get these babies on there. All the bikes on. Tighten these up really quick with this. Make sure the screws aren't too long. These screws are a little bit longer than the other ones. Okay, guys, so I just ended up putting a washer under there because I couldn't find shorter screws. These were actually really short already. So it's got a short slot going down, and then it's got a longer slot coming into the battery going this direction. I don't feel like taking the risk and bending those straight, my cables straight, and breaking one of them. So let's finish putting this thing together. Let's see if this beautiful girl starts. Come on. I gotta fix that. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you guys brand new battery in it. We're going to be talking about this bike here pretty soon, so stay tuned. I got just a heads up to let you guys know what's going on.